Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on my brother's keeper from the 4th to the 8th of December 2023 on Monday. Nomusa steps up to clean the Thuthuka mess Ngubeko is in. After consummating their relationship quickly, Guilty quickly swallows Keketso. Thomas' plan regarding Pindi take a detour on Tuesday. Thuthuka failed to attend an important meeting and leaves the family wondering and speculating about his whereabouts, while Ngubeko is riddled with guilt but withhold the truth. Mom Sarah is on a mission to ensure that history doesn't repeat itself with Keketso. Toba brags to Sibusiso about sleeping with Pindi on Wednesday. There is a grief and devastation as the family and community come to terms with an untimely death. Sibusiso makes a heartbreaking discovery when Ngubeko comes face to face with his dark deeds. He makes a devastating decision on Thursday. Mam Kunu is buried from burying her son. Pindi makes a shocking announcement to the bereaved Shabalalas. Koketso and Sibusiso failed to fix things in their relationship on Friday. Mam Kunu defies Mshengu and shows up at the funeral. Mshengu returns the gesture but not in kind. Koketso gets conflicting advice on the way forward with Sbu. Nomalanga is overprotective of Toba. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye everyone, welcome.